TripleChip back at you again. This is Unbox the Box, where I forgot to show you in the initial unboxing on this. If you guys watched that one, originally it was like this. So all you got to do is just release this bar here, and you can just turn this up. Only so far because it starts stretching. And you just simply snap it down, and boom, there you go. Well, let's power this off. So turn this off for now, so it's just one click of the button there. What we're featuring today is, it's by CatEye. It's the Velo 7 wired. It's all weather, auto stop start. It's got a 2-year warranty. Its features include the current speed, trip distance, moving time, the clock, total distance, average speed, and maximum speed. You pick these up on Amazon.ca for $32.99, so $33 plus tax. Just because it doesn't come with any type of instrument gauges, so we'll just show you what you get here. Move this stuff out of the way. So you're going to get this little unit here. It's got power to it currently. You're just going to want to take this sticker off. Because if you leave it on, it's going to always be that right there. Just take that off. And that looks like you just toggle through it right there. You got your kilometers. It just goes through different things as you push the button. And then you got to set the time on it. Okay, and this is just a list of CatEye distributors in Europe. And yeah, they're big over in Europe. Doesn't even show up for Canada or the States, so and what you're going to get is this other little unit that looks like it slides into this. Now it looks like you got some type of tape on there. I don't know if it's even 3M tape. And it looks like you got some miniature zip ties in there. A little battery. It is 3M. You can see the bit of the 3 on there. I'm just going to get that opened. So you get some zip ties. You get 2, 4, you get 7 zip ties total. You got a nice little manual of how to hook it up. So that isn't a battery. I think what that is, it's the thing that it's going to read from this as the tire's turning. I think that's what that is. I'm assuming right now, because it's already got power to it. So let's see if we can find the English. We got every language. Here we go. Number of warranty. It's like a map or something. Look at that. How to clear it. You can either have it in kilometers or miles an hour, which to me it doesn't really matter. Oh, and you're going to want to set in your tire setting too, to what you want it onto. So we'll just show how to mount this. I don't know how easy this is going to be, but get this up here. So we're taking this unit. This says number 1. You want to put Looks like that go on a spoke or something. Just sensor units, sensor units. Sensor zone. So the way they're having it, it's looks like it's on your front fork, and that's mounted, and that thing's your sensor zone. So I don't know if we can even mount it on this guy or not, because we don't have wheels like that. I'm not sure on this one. I didn't know it was like that when I got this. But it looks like it's got to be pretty well on the wheel. So I don't know how you'd mount this. That unscrews out of there for mounting it on something. And it's got a little tiny little gap right there. If you can kind of see through that, that's where we're going to spoke. But to mount it on this one, I'm not sure. Is there anywhere we can actually mount it on this front tire? I don't know how that would mount on there. Because this only screws out so far. And then it's just going to fall right off. And these are pretty thick. Like even if I open it up and I was to trim this off with the snips, that might be the only way. And maybe I chop this off. It might be able to squeeze onto here, possibly. If not, it's not going to mount. The only way I could possibly mount it, I'd have to drill a hole through the rim to get that to go on. Well, I think I might have to just leave this one as for today, just as an unboxing video, and we'll do a follow-up with you. Probably on the Adventure channel. When I go to take it out, I'll show you how I have it mounted on. But as for today, I don't have a drill handy at the moment, because I got to figure out how to mount this sensor on for it to read the speed. So I guess we'll just go with that. Sorry about that. Like, it didn't say nothing in the thing when I ordered it. It just said you can put it on a bike. So, and if you tried to put it on the brake, it's just going to tear itself off as it comes through the pads there. So you can't put it on there. It's got to be actually on the rim somehow. The only other way, maybe you'd go through this somehow on this cover. Be mounted on this cover somehow, on this lens. So that's been it for this one. Catch you in the next one. We're going to put a water bottle hold on her, and I think that's going to go a lot better, I hope. So until next time, vlog's over. Have yourself a good one. Okay guys, so I think I came up with a fix for this. I took the little sensor right off this little plastic piece, because it doesn't have regular bicycle spokes. And I already got this all mounted. I left enough slack so this can turn very easily without the wire binding up. So we use 1, 2, 3, 4 the connectors. I got the sensor right here. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to drill a little hole right in this reflector. And it should be at the right. I'll just have to put some glue on there. And bing, bang, boom, it should be done. So we're just going to get a little comfortable here. I'm just simply going to... It's got a nice flat spot right in this, and I don't have to wreck the rims. Yeah, just somewhere in there probably. I'm just gonna punch a little drill in there. A little drill in there, a little hole in there.
scared me.
Can't believe you're kind of scared doing this to a brand new bike. No, we can almost thread it in. I don't think we even have to glue it. I think I'll just thread right in here. That's threading on. Hope it doesn't snap the lens. No, that'll clear that sensor. Oh, it's hitting it. Oh, it's hitting it. Dang, son. What we might have to do is put another strap to hold this sensor in place so it won't bounce around like that. Let's maybe just unscrew this and we'll just gun this out a little bit more. We'll just put some good old crazy glue on it, I think. This might fall off, and then where in the heck am I going to get? I'll have to spend another 30-some bucks to get another one of those. Just fill this out a little bit more. We're through. Let's see how it fitters it now. I think we might just be able to screw it in. It doesn't really want to push in, it's just that snug. It's screwing in. It's good old redneck fix here. Look at that. Ooh. It's like my grandpa used to say, the only German I know, good and tight. Good and tight. So let's just put another strap on there. Hold this sensor in place. Put one up a little bit higher here. Because I don't want this thing flopping around. We'll just snug it back just a touch. There we go. Right. Oh. Okay, I'm just going to trim this piece off. Okay, we're just going to see if this actually works or not. Maybe come over on this side and I'll spin the wheel. We'll see if we get any kilometers an hour here.
Yeah.
Anything?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, there we go. Like that one guy in Canada used to say, pretty handy. Maybe that's not the saying. But that's it for this one. So you can use this kit. Just got to be a little bit be like a MacGyver kind of. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.